Having AI skills is more important than ever. As a graduate of the Diploma of Artificial Intelligence, you'll be equipped to use AI technologies in smart ways that can help make you more efficient and productive. You'll also be equipped to offer ideas for how businesses can better use AI. You'll be able to apply these skills across a wide range of industries and job roles. Whether you're working in or aspiring to work in a role in marketing, sales, finance, human resources, operations, and more. The Diploma of AI will empower you to understand what AI is, how it works, and how it can be applied to the business world. Your knowledge and practical skills will be gained by studying 8 units, including Apply Prompt Engineering for Generative AI, discover how to write carefully constructed prompts, understand how to get AI to give you the responses you're looking for, use AI technologies to produce engaging content, uncover different techniques to plan, generate, and edit content using AI, explore a wide range of generative AI tools and best practices, analyze data and make forecasts using AI, be empowered to use AI to help you better investigate data and make informed decisions, optimize a brand's digital presence using AI tools, learn how to use AI to help you analyze a target market, evaluate a business's marketing content, and more. Use AI to enhance business operations. Discover how to use AI to analyze an organization's operational performance, then plan and implement AI-based improvements. Apply AI to improve an organization's customer experience. Be equipped to use AI tools to improve the interactions customers have with a business. Discover how AI can be used for customer service and more. Identify opportunities to apply AI, ML, and DL. Dive into understanding what machine learning, artificial intelligence, and deep learning are, and how businesses can use each one. Apply critical thinking and AI ethics. Explore how to question the responses that AI software gives you. Be equipped to critically analyze both the inputs you give AI technologies and the outputs that they give you. New and evolving AI technologies have a lot to offer the business world. They can help make us more productive and successful, if they're used in the right ways. That's because AI technologies also come with challenges, from cybersecurity risks to generating incorrect and biased content. Be empowered to navigate this landscape so that you can use AI as your assistant. By the end of this qualification, you'll have in-demand skills in AI. You'll understand how to leverage AI technologies to improve business performance. Not only that, you'll also know how to use AI tools in ways that are responsible, ethical, and effective. Are you ready to boost your career? Then it's time to start a Diploma of AI.